Hello everyone, I'm your maths teacher from KPS family. Now let's start chapter 1 Integers. Today we learn some topics from this chapter. In this chapter, we will be able to understand the concept of integers, natural numbers and whole numbers. Represent integers on the number line. Learn comparison and ordering of integers. Find the absolute value of integers. Let's start. We have seen what natural and whole numbers are. The whole number comprises all natural numbers and 0. So, what are integers then? Along whole numbers, the set of integers also includes negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on. We have number 1, 2, 3 and so on. We also know why we have 0. But now the question, why negative numbers? Let's take an example. The most basic example would be temperature. The temperature can go below 0 degree Celsius and temperature below 0 degree is negative like -10 degree Celsius. Let us see a different example. Suppose you gave your friend 100 rupees and that friend returned just 50. What is the net amount you have now? The net amount you have is -50. But minus sign tell us that you are in loss. Now these numbers are integers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called positive integers. The number -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on are called negative integers. We can say that all natural numbers are positive integers. And what about 0? Well, 0 neither positive nor negative. Now look at all three of them together. It tells us all natural numbers and whole numbers are integers. The set of integer is represented by the letter Z. Now we know that what integers are. Now let's talk about the number line.
What is a number line? It's simple. It's just a line like this. We mark the number 0 in the center. Towards the right, we mark all the positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But wait, they are not marked randomly. They are marked at equal intervals. The distance between any two consecutive integers on a number line is always equal. On the left side of 0, we mark the negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on at equal intervals. Since the positive and negative integers go on forever, we mark arrows at the ends of a number line. This arrow tells us that there are infinite positive integers towards the right, and this arrow tells us that there are infinite negative integers towards the left.
How can you compare and order integers? Think about this question during the lesson. The table shows the low temperatures during a cold week. How many temperatures in the table are less than 0? How do you know? There are two temperatures less than 0, -5 degrees Celsius and -6 degrees Celsius. Find the day on which the temperature was lowest. Then, order the temperatures from least to greatest. You can use a number line to help. First, locate the integers on the number line and label them by the day of the week. When comparing integers, the integer that is farther to the left on the number line is less. Negative 6 is farther left than 3, so it is less. It was colder on Tuesday than on Monday. You can write this two ways. Negative 6 is less than 3, or 3 is greater than negative 6. Was it warmer on Thursday or Friday? How do you know? It was warmer on Thursday because 1 is to the right of negative 5 on the number line. Integer values on the number line decrease as you move left and increase as you move right. The temperature farthest to the left is negative 6 degrees Celsius, so Tuesday was the coldest day. Now, write all the temperatures in order from the least to the greatest. You can write the temperatures from least to greatest, starting from the left with the coldest temperature, negative 6 degrees Celsius, negative 5 degrees Celsius, 1 degree Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius. Now you know how to compare and order integers.
Minus 3. The number is minus 3. It is represented using vertical bars to the left and to the right of the number. This thing here is read as the absolute value of minus 3. The absolute value of a number just tells us its distance from 0 on a number line. If we have a number line like this, where will minus 3 lie? It will lie here. The absolute value of minus 3 is just asking us how far is minus 3 from 0. 1, 2, and 3. It's 3 units away from 0. It's simply the distance between minus 3 and 0, and remember that distance is never negative. We cannot say that it's minus 3 units away from 0. As the distance between minus 3 and 0 is 3, we say that the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. What would be the absolute value of 3 then? The absolute value of 3 will be written like this with a vertical bar to the left and the right of 3. How far is 3 from 0 on the number line? Again, it's 3 units away from 0. The absolute value of 3 is 3. What will be the absolute value of minus 5? As it's 5 units away from 0, it will be 5. Absolute value of 12? It will be 12. Absolute value of minus 129? It will be 129. Look at all the answers. They are all positive. So would it be right to say that the absolute value of a number is always positive? Let me ask you another question that will help you answer this question. What is the absolute value of 0? 0 is 0 units away from 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Is 0 positive? No, it's neither positive nor negative. So it would be incorrect to say that the absolute value of a number is always positive. But you can say that it will always be non-negative, which means it will be 0 or positive.
Please stay at home and be safe. Thank you for watching.